Hey, do you want to know how to make your funeral home a community favorite instantly? Here's a heartwarming story about a client that I work with, John, and his funeral home. They sponsored a local charity walk. They invited residents to join. They also organized monthly volunteer events like park cleanups, increasing community support by 70%. And here's how you can achieve the same success. Step one, plan a monthly event like a neighborhood blood drive. Step two, partner with local businesses for co-sponsorships. A local florist, for example, could provide flowers. Step three, promote events on social media and in community bulletin boards. Statistics show that local partnerships can increase community support by 50%. Step four, follow up after each event. Share the photos and thank participants. Fun facts. Posts about community events get 3 times the engagement. Engaging with your local community helps build trust and support, just like John did with his funeral home. So begin planning your next community event today and watch the connections grow. Stay tuned for more exciting stories and tips. You don't want to miss what we have in store.